Hello. I'd like to take you through the end user marketplace journey. This brings to life outcome-based solutions and the future marketplace experience, an online ecosystem that brings together distributors, system integrators, and third parties to find services, purchase products, and achieve outcomes for end users. The process steps will focus on the pre-sales, building, and post-construction phase of a larger consultative services journey, supported by marketplace capabilities, starting with awareness of outcome-based solutions, to conducting an assessment and building a roadmap, then engaging with the future HBT marketplace, and finally, assurance and management of that solution. Meet Chauncey. She's the senior facility manager who was recently promoted to manage the new Edge Medical Complex. And based on the facility's health and safety performance through the pandemic, she needs to create a plan to optimize the existing buildings and establish operational policies and protocols for future facilities. Chauncey recently attended a virtual conference focused on wellness architecture and design, sponsored by the International Well Building Institute. Here, she learned about the 12 key areas for rating healthy buildings. And she also attends a timely breakout presented by Honeywell about their point solutions for healthy environments, which perks up her interest to learn more as she tries to navigate this new framework. She searches healthy buildings and lands on HBT's Healthy Buildings landing page. She quickly learns about the offerings, the Assess, Act, Assure framework, and she sees an offer for a free well rating assessment using HBT's innovative toolkit. She selects Schedule an Assessment and is provided simple instructions to have the toolkit sent to her and how to set it up and run the tools. Chauncey is impressed and agrees to schedule the assessment. Assessment and planning. Chauncey receives the assessment kit and sets up the sensors in multiple zones for 24-hour segments over the next several days. She'll collect the air quality data for key parameters, temperature, humidity, CO2, using benchmarks from the Well Building Standard. After the assessment is complete, Chauncey is notified that the assessment report is available with a download link and that a Healthy Buildings advisor will reach out shortly. She meets with Alex, a Honeywell Healthy Buildings consultant, to review the assessment scores and discuss the results. Alex walks her through HBT's playbook for creating a Healthy Buildings roadmap. This includes a site walkthrough, setting healthy outcome goals, mapping out a multi-phase solution to meet or exceed them. Chauncey is impressed with the approach and the ecosystem of tools available to her. She's ready to get started. Solution design and roadmap. Alex introduces her to a dedicated Honeywell team and sets up a project dashboard on mybuildings.honeywell to share documents and track progress. Aligning with Chauncey's operational goals, a reduction in hospital-acquired infections, improving employee retention, and reducing employee sick days. The Healthy Buildings Roadmap is defined with phased projects and outcome-based packages with a detailed list of products and specifications. This includes third-party adjacent products like Vertiv, Cisco, and Dell that have been curated to optimize Chauncey's business outcomes and goals. Assurance and management. When all the protocols and systems are working, Alex begins the transition and training with Chauncey's team to begin tracking business outcomes and goals using Honeywell Forge. Alex sets up her team with a library of documents, training, and the tech support knowledge base that Chauncey's team can access on mybuildings.honeywell. Chauncey's team has been using Forge routinely now to track healthy building outcomes with real-time analytics to improve efficiency and reduce risk. Towards the end of the year, Chauncey can access her service contract dashboard, where she can see the impact metrics and historical breakdown of all the actions taken for each contract. If she likes, she can renew the contract right online. After her first year managing the Edge Hospital, Chauncey has achieved some fantastic outcomes. The Well Institute certification, a reduction in hospital-acquired infections, an overall rise in employee satisfaction, and a huge reduction in employee sick days. Chauncey feels a deeper connection with Honeywell while tapping into a deep network of expertise using mybuildings.honeywell as a one-stop shop to source products and services.